How to make everyone can stitch with your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can stitch with your videos on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find stitch. And if you want to make everyone can stitch with your videos, just click everyone and go back, it will be saved. And that's how to make everyone can stitch with your videos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.